good boy. I'm here with Kawhi, and today we're gonna do an unboxing and try out this really cool pet grooming kit from Uproot Clean, and I need this really bad because the dog, 3 cats, like it gets a little crazy here. So we're ready to try it. Are you ready, buddy? You ready to get the grooming? Because he doesn't really like baths. You know, he's a shaky chihuahua. So we're gonna try this pet hair cleaning and grooming kit with 6 attachments. And I think he's ready. Oh my God, looks like a CPAP machine. You know. Okay, and this just pops right in. Boom, easy peasy. And now we have the grooming brush right here. Clicks in. Okay. See how this goes. Ready for a nice little bath? Ooh. 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 It's like vacuuming him and like brushing him at the same time. Ooh, you like it? Ta-da! This one is a detangler and dematter. He doesn't really need this because he doesn't have a lot, like long fur. So I think we'll just use the grooming brush. Here we go. Good job, buddy. What do you think? I think he likes it. Oh my. Oh, sorry. Yeah, good job. Good boy. He loves it. Yes, he loves it, right? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Ooh. Have a kiss? No. Have a kiss? Come here, Mom. Oh my God! Are you serious? Well, let's do those plans. Come here, Mama. We're getting her. Running away, but look how much we're getting. Come back, Remy. Good boy. Good job. Thank you.